I'll show you that. So here's the harness bar, NRG, nice and heavy duty. Got all the hardware, the adjusters. Showed up a little bent, and then it's chipped right here, but I think we're just gonna straighten it out. If I filed a complaint, we'll get some money back. You know how it goes. But, sheesh. Good car Tommy, bro. And I got some toe straps, because last time I just had the little hooks. So, here we go. Get a freaking thing, fit this in, socket. I'll get a wrench. Bro, I'm so pro.
You're so pro. Oh, baby. Strapped up.
Ooh.
Look at that. Son.
So fresh and so clean.
Whatever.
I won't bow to any sponsor. Do the back one. I'm sure it's ready for the car. Oh yeah. She's mint, bud. Just like that.
Minty.
Need to have it lower so it'll drag the ground.
Yeah.
It's a BMW, so those are very important. Hey guys, Justin here. This is how you get out a Sparko seat. First, take out the WeatherTech floor mat. Get it out of the way. Next, get yourself an Icon ratcheting wrench. Very nice. Only on sale, 20% off. Put it on the wrong way. Flip it over, put it on the right way. Ooh, loosen that one up. Can do it by hand, perfect. Don't show my seat, I haven't vacuumed it. There's dog hair on it. Oh, snap. Damn, I need an open end. Apparently you need an open end for the front. Get out from under that. Fucking bastard.
Someone's struggling.
See how much room we have. Oh yeah, we can go back a ways. Mint.
Tell me what's going on.
So the NRG harness bar doesn't come with anything you need. So we found some bolts and some stuff, and we're gonna try to space this out using some bolts that we have. Which is more legit than using the stock bolts. That looks like it's gonna work, huh?
Yeah, I mean, you still get the angle of the dangle.
Just gotta tighten that up and then pull this down.
Alright, boys. Harness bars in. Harness in. Adjusting the seat.
Take it for a spin.
Do it. You're going. Oh, I'm going. We go together, we die together. Right. Here we go. Get to die. saw that. Yeah. Only in Mexico, boys.
All right, so we got the bar in. It's NRG harness bar. Definitely had to do some finagling to get it in there, but I got the harnesses looped around. Harness installed, seats installed. Seat, we moved back a little, but now it's a little far back, but the steering wheel, I'm getting a quick release steering wheel. It'll be coming this week, and then that'll push it out a little ways. So then the pedal, I'm a little far from the pedal, but it's not a huge deal. I can still reach the shifter good, the hydraulic handbrake. So yeah, this thing's freaking ready to go for Spirit Peaks. We just need to get the line set for the hydro, which will come in on Thursday. And yeah, I'm gonna try to hook up the sway bar in the front, and then I might try to mess with getting the camber arms in the back. They were like seized up when I took it for alignment. So all right, I'll keep you guys updated on anything else. All right, so I'm working on getting the sway bar mounted up, and I made these L brackets. Pretty simple. And then I shortened the tie rods. I welded them back together, or not tie rods, but the sway bar end lengths. And basically, this side I had to drill a hole in it because there wasn't a hole there. But so it'll bolt there, bolts down here, and then that little link will go right there. And so then, essentially, this will be like an E46 style sway bar. The sway bar will be mounted to the control arm instead of to the strut because it was binding on the strut. All right, there we go. She's on the ground. Got a front sway bar hooked up. Got the harnesses in, all that. So now we're just waiting on the steering wheel. Lines for the hydro. Might paint the roof too. The roof, hood, fenders. We might do that. Got my boy Trevor hook it up. So see how it goes. I'll keep you guys updated.